তিনি haite salono তিনি ani student federation rok brau kup kaham khlai তিনি CAB abono protest khlai thani oro brau peaceful democratic ni kaisa panna ma chongjakha aro student thousand student thayo তিনি indigenous student rok এবং abo main issue aro brau protest khlaimani democratically into apuruni তিনি state ni chief minister Biplab Kumar Dev bono home minister and home department ni bo minister ba bo democratic no abo mukabila khlaimaya mon bai bo bini violent by hatiar by bo bono bo eta bo confrontation khai jeta government khainani uchit ongya apura bo romdi tanang romoi tubdi kok salai di kiba barono case book khai di kiba jelo bodadi tamo bo extreme kaisa beyond his control abo identify khain bo firing order mari bo very unfortunate এবং তিনি ত্রিপুরাও অন্য কোনো স্টেট হবো অবতে কোনো ঘটনা এবং যারা খুব কম এবং আনি মেমোরিও কোনো জায়গা নুগিয়া যদি একটা বিরাট একটা ভায়োলেন্স সংখ্যা খুব একটা ইয়াং বা ইয়াং গুলাগুলি ওলাইখা অনেক নগ্র বক্স সজাখা অবতেই যদি অংখা অংখলাই টাউন রোগ বম টম খাই গাড়ি ঘোড়া যত হাউস রোগ ডিস্ট্রয় খাইও অবতে একটা বার্নিং সিচুয়েশন state government central government agency ro auro brau blank fire in the sky no khao borok royon firing khlai এবং borok royon firing ma khlai na abo supreme court nyong tung government of india nyong tung abo brau na ta standing order tung standing direction tung abo apply khlai aboi direct bo fire khlai di abo chini sakha kaitor chini sakha maya khlai no chini rok bacharai ro bra thuyong khatini যে কোনো একটা সিচুয়েশনে ব্রাউ থাকো নাংপুনো abo brau yokha abo bogchung kaitorno kha kahamribo এবং brau no bok kha kahamribo brau osuk guli chawoi puno tabok dora tiki mangko boni bagai aboni memory ni bagai tini একটা স্টুডেন্ট ro aro ma program ma khlai ka aro anobo khobori ka I humbly want to remain present and respect the issue and inviting all other students, even non-students also, should come and witness it and express their opinion of grief that why it was compelled that the state government had to order for firing, which is quite objectionable. And this is, I'm being now 80 years. I have been fighting for several decades. And I have not heard that under these circumstances, any state government, any department had to order firing. So very unfortunate. Tini aro uko salai, tini student ong any group of age. Ning student ong yapuno ni age group ning ma manjak nai, এবং chini guardian je ong nai, student ni guardian ong nai. Brown obo ang koyo, naroni solidarity, integrity, solidarity to the very issue we have to respect and we have to encounter the situation and the action taken against us. Abo nini ani simia joto tipra saok ni sakao ekta inch, ekta action kaisa tamo abo khub objectionable aboni boy o kongno tini ang sanani tabok student leaders to narano ma koyo narao ni je courage tong mani abo narao kuno jaga compromise ta klaidi narao ni bo ideologically narao ni onek future tongo narao ni je demand tong mani chiniti prasarao ni bagai you have to continue it till end till certain situation arrives where you attain some of your demand abono ang sawo jotona khakaham ambai
Sar tabuk sur jara tanok jago edisi area o sini black de ne pala jago tini inshallah. Ga borok lo all state o sini state o Tripura haste o abuno pala jene amah wan sumo sodok.
abo chini chini chingba ekta party ni abo ba chini kundo abo kroi jodi bo next time rogo student hoyto kono rokom after consultation bibhinno political party rogo inara consult khaidi abo jori onno party rogo bakha khlayo au abo bo kaisa black day palai mano jetu kini bro firing onka kintu kono that situation phaya aborok ni bagai salai mano এবং abo ছুটি কিবা বন্ধ কিবা বতেরক immediately suddenly decision angri maya abo narau bai salainani bibhinno political party to bai salainani dorkar abo nolo khlainani ebong khlayanani boni kok demand
Ini ni salo je black de ni salo. Ese brok ni obhai ya prisemano logoi ba ini phaye bo bahai ke brok ni angoi message rok nama.
message esuk no oro phainai boibo sia onek brok sia ble abo bisinai se kangro obote ঘটনা obo sakla ao apuro gula-guli ongka ble hinai gula-guli ongyangya government guli khlayo aise ble kokbo oro kono encounter ongya ble chini pokhe guli khlai mani kok krei ble bo brau illegally ongtong fourthly brau guli khlayo oro ne kono guli thangya apuro kono encounter ongya ble abo encounter chung sai maya bo state government knowingly willingly brau guli khlayo এবং তিনি অববনে কমেমোরেশন ni একটা ইভেন্ট অংখাবা আর হচ্ছে মা ফাইও এবং যেটা বড় সিদ্ধান্ত না অবরাউনো কার্যকরী খাইনাই এবং অরণ্য জনসাধারণ বা অবনে সিম্পাথাইজ এবং তিনি বাখাগনে কোনো অসুবিধা অংলা जों बबनो सिम्पाथाइज मा खालायो